Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here. OnlyWoodFloors, 7 a.m. Getting ready to start making some noise. Got a lot done yesterday. Let me turn it around and show you. Let's go right here, turn this around. So everything is sanded. This is the last room, and you've seen the other videos. Here's the beautiful wood. And this is the filler, the putty. So we putty the entire thing. Try to get all the gaps and cracks. So this will be sanded, all of this is sanded off. We're gonna start doing our real fine sanding. In here we've started scraping the corners where the machines don't get. Look at that entryway. Remember yesterday that entryway had the lines from the tile? 100% gone. That's crazy. Look at that. Woo! Crazy. And these bedrooms, remember the bedrooms back here that was in really bad shape because of the dog urine? They're still bad, but not like they were. See that? Look at that. But we're doing a medium brown stain. So this is a rental property also, but we're going to stain this a medium brown so you really won't be able to see. You'll see them, but they won't jump out at you. In this room, almost nothing, and it was in really bad shape. So we'll stain it this afternoon and finish it up tomorrow. All right, guys, any questions, reach out to us. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Let me know.